Hi, my name is Brandon, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Profollica before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Profollica is, be careful with the website you're going to buy it from, because Profollica is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Profollica, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Profollica works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help slow and reverse your hair loss. It does this by blocking harmful DHT from reaching your hair follicles. The Profollica two-step system works by interrupting alpha-5 reductase enzymes from binding to your free testosterone. It's developed to stop hair follicle miniaturization before it's too late. But, what is DHT? Dihydrotestosterone is a sex hormone that is a derivative of testosterone, but excess amounts of this hormone can affect the hair follicles. DHT interferes with the hair's growth cycle, shrinking and shortening the hair, making it easier for it to fall out and more difficult for it to grow back. DHT initiates a process called follicle miniaturization, which if left untreated, causes hair follicles to shrink until they die. Brittle hair is one of the first signs of DHT ravaging your hair follicles. Then hair starts thinning and eventually starts falling out entirely. But you don't have to sit back and watch your hair fall out by using Profollica, that will slow and reverse your hair loss. It does this by blocking harmful DHT from reaching your hair follicles. The Profollica two-step system works by interrupting alpha-5 reductase enzymes from binding to your free testosterone. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Profollica, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Profollica for 67 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Profollica to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. If you do it, it will work right away, blocking the formation of DHT. It is like plugging the hole in a bucket before filling it with WATE. For maximum DHT blocking effects, you must continue taking Profollica daily, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Profollica has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Profollica from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Profollica actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.